I am the HVAC repair guy. Before I spent 17 years in the heating and cooling industry, I was a nuclear power electrician. That means I do not have time for marketing fluff or sales pitches. I look at the gut of the machine, the data in the manuals, and the reality of how these things perform when the temperature hits zero. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the ring for a ducted split heat pump showdown. In one corner, we have the Frigidaire FSH4BF, and in the other, the Goodman GLZ-T7C. Both of these are sitting in the premium category, so we are looking for high-level performance and long-term reliability. Let us start with the build quality, because if the cabinet fails, the rest of the tech does not matter. When I look at the Frigidaire FSH4BF and the Goodman GLZ-T7C, I am looking for protection. Both of these models come equipped with a louvered steel panel. In the field, we call this the gold standard. It is not just for looks. That steel panel protects those fragile aluminum fins from hail, neighborhood dogs, and the accidental run-in with a weed whacker. If you see a unit with just a wire grill, you are looking at a system that is one bad storm away from a service call. These two units are built to take a hit and keep on ticking. Now, let us talk about how these things actually keep you comfortable. Both units are pulling an efficiency rating of 8.1 HSPF2. To put that in perspective, they are both highly efficient in the heating season, which is where your money usually disappears. But the tech inside is where they differ. Both models use a 2-speed compressor, which is a massive upgrade over your entry-level equipment. However, Goodman takes it a step further. While the Frigidaire uses a single-speed fan, the Goodman GLZ-T7C features a 2-speed condenser fan. That extra stage on the fan means the Goodman can move air more precisely to match that compressor, making it a smoother operator in the heat of July. When we talk about the bottom line for 2026, you need to be prepared for the investment. For the Frigidaire FSH4BF, you are looking at an average equipment cost of around $5,000 for the condenser alone. Once you factor in the air handler, labor, and materials for a professional installation, you are looking at a total of about $11,000. The Goodman GLZ-T7C comes in slightly lower on the equipment side at about $40,500, but because it is a more complex communicating system, the installed price often lands around $12,000. Before we get to the winner, remember that the best system in the world will fail if you do not treat it right. You have to keep those coils clean and change your filters every single month. A dirty filter is the #1 killer of these high-tech compressors. In the warranty battle, things get interesting. Both brands offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement pledge. That means if the compressor fails in the first decade, they do not just swap the part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. But Goodman pulls ahead on the long game. Frigidaire covers the compressor for 10 years, but Goodman offers a lifetime compressor warranty. That is a bold statement of confidence. We also have to look at where they come from. The Frigidaire is manufactured in Mexico, while the Goodman is assembled right here in the USA. So, who takes the trophy? While both are solid, the Goodman GLZ-T7C is the winner. With a 2-speed fan for better comfort, a lifetime compressor warranty, and American assembly, it offers the best long-term value for your home. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com.